This video will take you through the steps to replace the wheels on Pelican Protector 1700, 1720, 1750, and Vault by Pelican V700 and V800 cases. The tools and supplies you'll need to get the job done include a hammer, pliers, and a pin punch. Before you can install a new wheel, you'll need to remove the old one. You can follow along with these steps. Start by laying the case on its back with the wheels facing up. Take the pin punch and align it with the axle bolt on the inside of the case. Use the hammer to gently tap on the aligned pin punch. Continue tapping until the knurled end of the bolt pops out. Using the pliers on the knurled end, pull until the bolt is fully out. The wheel should drop out. Repeat this process on the other wheel if needed. Align the new wheel with the axle bolt hole. Align the axle bolt with the knurled end pointing out. While holding the wheel in place, use the hammer to drive the axle bolt in place. It should pass through, but if it doesn't, the wheel isn't properly aligned. The bolt should be flush with the inside wheel rib, and the wheel should move freely. Repeat the same process for the other side. We hope this video has helped, but if you should run into any issues, please feel free to contact the Pelican customer service team at 800-473-5422.